different one.
All right, here's the final one.
Up here.
The 20th day of January.
Ladder's right there.
On the action. Good little love with some of the boats here. This is another one. Starcraft. Cool little boat right here. She's hopping up into it. So there's 4-seater. The granddaughter clapped into it. So here we got some St. Croix. That's a nice look right there. Give me some of these. Bentley. The value of boating. So here we are. Give a little bit to Bentley, shall we? 41,000. Then you put a grill right there. Kind of reminds me of mine because you got your stuff around here. Come on, that boat right there. Over there, that bad boy. Nice layout. I like these layouts. It's open like my party barge. I like open lights.
It is nice.
Some of the other ones are just way too big and expensive. I mean, just huge. You know what I'm saying? You can buy good used pontoons when you look around, but what you need, I put a grill on mine on the front.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, put a grill that way you can, come on back here and you can sit back here and hang out in the back and look out in the back. People are buying bullets right now, so here we go. Let's have a seat, shall we? Oh, the Bentley. Oh, goodness. I like it. Get in your boat. You're retired. You live down in Florida. Away you go. We're fishing every single day, man. If I was retired, a part-time gig in the morning, get off at 8 o'clock, go to the airport, do some fishing and golf, get my boat. That's what I'd be doing. You get out of the same person. But you got your, as long as there's no alcohol, public choice. I like that color. It's nice. It's a nice boat. That one's nice. This one's an open one too as well. Like this one. Very nice.
Probably a 22.
Nice.
I got my pizza back.
Oh my goodness. That's a pretty big one there for a big shooter. What do you think about that?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Oh my goodness. It's a big one. Wine glasses galore. Shoes on down, I'll kill myself. Some of these over here. Look at this one. Already over here already, Star Trek? I don't know. Maybe it was. I think it was over here already. Maybe it was. I don't remember. Maybe it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Kind of nice. Yeah, that's okay right there. That's nice. More open one over here. It's a lower deck one. Kind of nice. Kind of come down here. This is not from a wheelchair. This was not. If you can't get in this one, it's not the best. I mean, it's still nice, but if you're not at getting around very well, I mean, if I get in that Zane over, it'd be a little difficult to get in anyone that has maybe a wheelchair and not be able to get along very well. It's a nice one. Old boat over here. We'll go look over here and look at the old boat. That's the one. It's kind of nice. Bentley. But really nice, but weird color. But 27,000. Nice, but it's wide open, smaller one. Here we go. Here's a.
Now that's the view, Clark. We don't make them like this anymore.
Look at that bad boy. $1940 Garwood's Custom. Nice. Pontoons. Voucher. I didn't see this one. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Kind of. Oh goodness. Carlson. Huh. Oh my God. Looks like a car. Interesting. Please do not board one.
It's like when the VIP comes, there's this
Yeah.
stuff. So it's this is a VIP.
Yeah, this is a very important
Let's get
vote.
you a new one. Let's get you a new one of them. Come on.
Oh my goodness, that's kind of nice.
You and I, come on. Give me a hand.
I don't know if I was on this one or not. Maybe this one. This one's kind of. Maybe I don't think it was in this one. This bad boy. This big one right here. This big dog. Holy moly. This is a big dog. What's this go? Does this come with a trailer at the same time or extra?
It does. Trailer's extra.
Nice. This is, you're living in Florida. Look at this big boy, you guys. Look at this thing. Oh my God. This is Captain Kirk right here. You should call this. You should call it the Captain Kirk chair. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at all that stuff right there. Oh my word. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah. This is where you don't ask how much it costs, you just buy it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, good. Very nice. That's a hell of a boat, you guys. Boat, bunkhouse boats here, it looks like. We'll walk into there. Anyways. Walk over here. And
Good, how are you? Good. If you like, you can head up inside. There's a ladder up front.
There's a lot of
yeah. So you can go in there and hang out in there. Anyways.
This crazy guy in Canada.
Yeah.
He's in a band.
They'll love this guy. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Last look here. All you need on here is just a grill. Nice. Prince Spirit Boat. Only one boat, but I guess you get the idea. 7 miles, 7 series. Nice. Anyways, this must be a bunk. Make them in like a bunkhouse and you can on a boat, I guess. So, going down the stairs without killing myself. Well, anyways, I'm gonna head out of here. Hope you enjoyed it. So, Another adventure. What the hell, man? It's a nice boat. Little open space up there. That's kind of a cool boat right here. Look at that. Saw it before, but anyways, guys, from the outskirts, hope you enjoyed the whole 7 beer video. So.